Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Precious Peters. I post amazing hair care content, hair growth tips, DIYs, and everything in between. And I also teach my lovely sisters here on YouTube how to take care of their natural hair. So if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, like, share, and please drop a lovely comment, as lovely as you are. Thank you. So guys, in today's video, I'll be using okra gel on my hair as a pre-poo. Okra gel is packed with amazing nutrients which are very great for the hair. Consistent use of okra gel will minimize breakage, tangles, and split ends. Okra gel may grow the hair if used properly. Regular usage of okra gel will help stop breakage, reduce friction, and also reduce dandruff. If you want to know more about the benefits of okra gel on your hair, check my previous videos. I'll leave a link to the video in my description box. Please comment down below if you would like to try this on your hair. I'll leave you to watch and enjoy the video. Bye. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Bye guys.